In this video, I'm going to be showing you a Klaviyo abandoned cart flow tutorial for Shopify. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. Setting up an abandoned cart flow in Klaviyo for a Shopify store is a strategic way to recover potentially lost sales by re-engaging customers who added items to their cart but didn't complete the purchase. So here's a guide on creating this flow for 2024, focusing on key elements like configuring the flow, customizing messaging, and analyzing results. So first, what is Klaviyo? Klaviyo is a powerful email marketing platform that integrates seamlessly with Shopify, making it easy to set up automated workflows like abandoned cart emails. The abandoned cart flow specifically targets customers who leave items in their cart, prompting them to return and complete the purchase. This can help boost sales and recover revenue that would otherwise be lost. So now we want to set up the abandoned cart flow in Klaviyo. So first is the integration with Shopify. First, ensure Klaviyo is connected to your Shopify store. So you can do this in the Klaviyo dashboard under integration where you'll find Shopify as an option. You can also do this in your Shopify store. So first you want to go to your Shopify store dashboard. Now from here, you want to click on settings in the lower left corner of the screen. And now you'll see a bunch of different settings right here in the left hand side. Now you want to select apps and sales channels. From here, click on Shopify App Store in the top right. And now we will be redirected to the Shopify App Store. So from here in the Shopify App Store, you want to search for Klaviyo. And as you can see, we have the Klaviyo app right here, and it's free to install. So just click on it. So you'll also see that this is the original app for Klaviyo. So it has the plans right here, or the pricing, so it's free to install. It also has the SMS and email plans. So simply click on install. Now we will be redirected to our Shopify store page again to confirm the installation. Now you'll be redirected to the Klaviyo website. So if you don't have an account yet, you need to create your Klaviyo account to connect to Shopify. So just simply log in with your account. So as you can see right now, sync your data between Klaviyo and Shopify. So click on continue. So add your address line. Now, how do you want to reach with your subscribers? So you can select email and SMS. Now you need to confirm your account. So now this is the dashboard for Klaviyo. Now what we want to do here in Klaviyo is simply click here on flows, but they have a bunch of different features right here, such as the campaigns, reviews, sign up forms, the BFCM hub, audience, content, and analytics, and also the conversations. So now let's go to flows. Now build your own. And as you can see, there are a bunch of different pre-made templates right here. So simply search for cart. And as you can see, there are a bunch of different abandoned cart reminder right here. So let's select this abandoned cart reminder that is added to cart trigger. So click there. And as you can see, they have the flow already pre-made. So now select name, select Shopify, the name, the tags. So say it's create a new tag filter. It's just the let's just select test, right? New tag filter. So we have not yet received any checkout started events from Shopify. So to create this flow, you need to do all of this prerequisites first. So you need these checkout started events from Shopify. You have not yet received any placed order events from Shopify. You have not yet received any added to cart. First, of course, you need to, after installing, you need people to have abandoned their cart. Shopify needs to confirm that people have abandoned the cart for you to use this abandoned cart reminder. So let's try another template. Say this abandoned cart reminder right here. So these are the prerequisites, but as you can see, we can already create the flow. So click here. And as you can see, we already have this automation right here, so you don't need to do the tedious work. It's already pre-made for you. But of course, you can always edit some aspects of this pre-made automation. So as you can see, the trigger is when someone checkout started. Next is wait 4 hours, and we have the conditional split right here, which is the can receive SMS. So of course you can edit this uh, cards right here by double clicking, and you can edit the trigger filters, profile filters. So let's say the conditional split. So as you can see, you can always see the performance right here, settings. You can edit the settings. As you can see, it's already set for you. Now in the conditional split, when it's yes, it will receive this SMS1. And no, to receive the abandoned cart email 1. So after this, you'll need to wait for 20 hours, and the abandoned cart email 2 will be sent to your customers, which is your cart is about to expire. So when they receive that email, of course, they will have to think back and purchase the products in their cart. So that's basically how you can use the Klaviyo abandoned cart for your Shopify store. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.